Beautiful Kingston, Jamaica in the night. Yes, yes, yes. Kingston, Jamaica.
I blessed love it tonight, man Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ Slickin Vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See you.
Fire burn and we got.
Natural. You see what I did? Well cool, me feel it all gone on in my vein. Yes, my beautiful people all over the world. This I cook and without much container. So eat, but just put the rice in the bag. Jamaica.
You hear me? Raz Vital, don't. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ Wicked Vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not did it. Up full, Raz Vital.
Night view in Kingston, Jamaica, guys. Just ahead in a town, you know. Night view, you know. Don't know the thing go. Sweet kitty.
What one? It's not a thing. I know you want to.
Oh.
I have video.
Yeah. Yes, you know. Yeah, then I check in mirror. I know the thing go people over there, man. Just a passing prison, you know, people, GP. Yeah. Got that. Night view, guys. Downtown. So downtown look people in the night, you know. See that? Downtown Kingston, Jamaica. See that? That people. Beautiful Kingston, Jamaica in the night. Yes, yes, yes. Kingston, Jamaica. Got that. That people. One sweet Jamaica with it. Yeah, no, look at that. Yeah, no. Yeah, man, sweet Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, wait for the light. Yeah, man. Yeah, video and I show no little one go on. In a sweet Jamaica night time. Kingston. Kingston, Jamaica. You know, people. Sweet Kingston, Jamaica. Got that. Stuff like people. It's an accident, you know. By the road. Digicel building the people. Beautiful and night, guys. And Digicel building that, you know. Yeah, man, a downtown Kingston vibes. Know the thing go. That is it. That is it, people. That is it. Then a town, yeah. Showing a little while going, you see me? Yes, no man. Vehicle I go through. See that? Like that. So there, people are go through. Growing a Coronation Market. So they show now the thing go a Jamaica. Yeah, that is it. Growing a Coronation people. So the thing going up. We're on a current people. On a current weekend. We are showing one night time view. Stay tuned, look out for this issue. Yeah.
AC Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain represent the DJ Wicked Vlogs, you see? Yeah, get it. I'm here saying me tired and nightmare. Tired to sift the rum with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the picking at Times Square. One go DJ Wicked Vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.